Welcome all. In this session, I am going to show you one of the useful tools for software testers, that is awesome screenshot and screen recorder Chrome add-on. So what exactly is this tool and how it can be useful for the software testers? Let me explain. Let's say you want to take the screenshot of the application screen from the Chrome browser, or you want to record the video of the screen that you are testing from the Chrome browser itself. Then guys, we can use this tool known as Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder Chrome add-on. So this add-on is only available in the Chrome browser. So you have to use this from Chrome browser. So open the Chrome browser. Let me now practically show you how to use this. Go to the demo application that you are testing. Let's say we are testing this application, guys. And this application screens, we want to take the screenshot and also we want to record the video. So how to do that? So from the Chrome browser itself, I want to take the screenshot. From the Chrome browser itself, I want to record the video screen. For all these purposes, in this Chrome browser, open the new tab and search for awesome screenshot. Just search for awesome screenshot, guys. So you'll get some search results. Scroll down until you see this awesome screenshot and screen recorder from chrome.google.com. Click on that. You'll be taken to the Chrome web store of awesome screenshot and screen recorder. Click on add to Chrome and you'll get this pop-up and say add extension. So it's getting installed, guys, in my Chrome browser. Let's wait for it to get installed. Yeah, I got something here. So I have been taken to a new tab with the details of the awesome screenshot tool that I'm installing. So it's asking me to sign in. I don't want to sign in, guys. I can skip it. Next thing is asking me to pin the extension. Yes, the whatever the add-on I installed just now, that is awesome screenshot add-on, that's not directly displayed on the Chrome browser. For doing so, click on this extensions thing and say pin as shown here, right? So now you see this add-on is now directly displayed. Click on next. Then setup is finished. Click on OK, got it, done. We are done installing this add-on, guys. Now we have to take the screenshot. So from the Chrome browser itself, we can take the screenshots. You don't have to install this kind of software in your okay in your laptop or something. Okay, rather you can directly install this kind of screenshot taking things in your Chrome browser, and from Chrome browser itself, we can take the screenshots or record the videos. See how simple it is. Now let's do that. Okay, let's see. Let's say I want to go to one of the page of which I want to take a screenshot. Let's say I want to take the screenshot of this one. Click on this and here two tabs are there, record tab and capture tab. I have to go to the capture tab for taking the screenshot. Either you can select the area or you can take the full screenshot of the full page, or you can only whatever the visible thing on my laptop screen, right? I want to take that screenshot, visible part I will select. Okay, so fine, it got taken the visible screenshot. Now let's say I'll mark this like this. I can use, I can do something like this. I can, okay, I can now use all the options for documenting whatever I want to convey on this particular screenshot. While reporting a defect, you can use the screenshot as a proof. Now select this A and start typing. This should be marked as mandatory field. This should be marked as mandatory field like star. Okay, this star is missing on this field. You see all the other mandatory fields on this particular page have the asterisk star symbol in red color, but here there is no such thing. Even though this field is mandatory, that is not there. So that's what I want to convey, and then I have created a screenshot for that. Click on done. Now what I will do is I will download it, guys. This is the download link. So hello, the screenshot will be downloaded. This is how the screenshot got downloaded. You'll see that this screenshot you can use in your defect reports. Okay, when you report a defect as a proof of that particular defect, you can attach this screenshot to your defect. Okay, fine, guys. How to take the screenshot from the Chrome browser using this awesome screenshot and screen recorder tool? It's clear, right? Now let me show you how to record the videos also. Click on this. Go to the record tab only. Okay, once you go here, once you click on this, go to the record tab, desktop. So by default, it is set to cloud, guys. Change it to local. And also this microphone may not be enabled for you. If you're installing it for the first time, you may get some other option like allow the microphone and all those stuff. You get this kind of pop-up say allow. If you say allow means when you are recording the video, your voice also will be recorded, guys. Okay, using your laptop microphone, your voice will be recorded. If you don't want your voice to be recorded while recording the video, just turn it off, whatever you feel convenient. For now, I'm turning off. Okay, I am saving the whatever the recorded video of this particular application screen into the local machine. And that's it, guys. Let's go with this. I'll say start recording. So, so before starting recording, I'll go to my home page and I'll click on this again. Start recording. Select this. Share. Record will start in 1 second. Okay, I'm recording these things. I'm recording some scenarios, guys. Okay. So like this message is coming. So what I can do now is like stop sharing. Once you are recorded the required scenario, right? You can say stop sharing. Then this is a video, guys, 23 seconds of duration. So you can actually download this video. Okay, you can click on this download. So I want to download here, save. I downloaded it, guys. So in folder where it got downloaded. So this is the file which got downloaded. So open this, double click. You see it's playing. Whatever I recorded on the application screen, whatever the actions I performed on the application screen, I recorded it completely. You see things are working fine, right? So like this, guys, you can either record the videos or you can take the screenshots of the application that you are testing from the Chrome browser using this simple add-on known as Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder Chrome add-on. So hope, guys, you like this particular tool. That's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.